Hello, welcome to a new tutorial in the Silhouette Savvy series at scrapbooknerd.com. Today we're going to be looking at ways of using the Silhouette Cameo to create a complex image or a cutout for your scrapbook needs. So today we're going to be using the Camp Clamp file to create the image in the layout that you're looking at right now. So let's get started. Since I only use the little heart here, so we're gonna go and again select the trace area. We're gonna just highlight the heart shape. Don't worry if you take pieces from other images, we're gonna get rid of them once we get the image. So we're gonna unclick the high pass filter, unclick it, then select trace. Just move the image on top to the side. We're gonna recenter the page. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let's just enlarge the image so it's easier to work and see what you're working with. Okay, now since we only want to work with the heart shape, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of all these little unwanted pieces from the side. To do that, you just gotta highlight the entire image, release the compound path. You can do that by right clicking and then go release compound path. Now what this does is just gives you a guideline to each single little piece on the cut file. So we're gonna go one by one and just get rid of what we don't need. All you have to do is right click and then right click and then press delete, or left click on your mouse and just hit the delete key. That's all it takes. Now, since I'm using 3 hearts in the design, I am going to make a compound path again. Just highlight the entire picture and press compound path, and we're gonna copy the picture. So, simple copy, paste, and we're just gonna move one of the hearts with the word create, which is the title for the layout, to the side. Again, let's center this. Okay. Since I used 3 hearts, interlocked hearts, to create the shape of the layout, I did not want it to repeat the word create in all 3 of them. So again, just to get rid of the word create, we're going to use the same steps that we used at the beginning to isolate the figure. So once again, highlight the entire image, right click, just select release compound path, and just go ahead and delete all the letters. Just highlight each letter and just hit the delete key, and that's going to get rid of all the letters as it is. Now you're going to see the heart has the empty spaces in the middle where the words were. So now you can leave it as such. It's okay, it's completely up to you. I chose to fill the empty spaces where the letters were. So all I did was just click on any of the little figures from the inside of the heart. For example, this one here. I copy it, paste it, and then just move it to where I thought it looked better. Let's try again with another one. So just pick the little triangle, copy, hit paste, and then just move it, and then you can go so on. You can choose to add more little triangles. You can get rid of all of them. It's completely up to you, and that's what it makes it unique. Is your design, becomes your design. Now that I am happy with what it looks like, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the entire image. Make sure you pick every single piece inside of the heart. Again, right click and click make compound path. And now make sure you move it around. All the pieces are all together. Now we're gonna shorten this a little bit, make it smaller. We're gonna right click. We're gonna copy one of these hearts. Remember, I used 3 of them, so I'm gonna show you the one I use for this layout. There we go. I place the top one here. So we're gonna bring back the one with the word create, which is the title of my piece. Okay, we're gonna make it smaller. As you can see, each heart, don't worry, each heart is a figure on its own. So we're gonna go ahead and just gonna size them and move them around. You can move them anywhere that you want. Just make sure that the hearts touch or interlock anywhere in the picture. So you see how these heart, all the hearts are joined. So let me just do this. You can move it to anywhere you want. So let's just say for now we're gonna do this. Okay, now that I'm happy with the figure that I've chosen, now I'm gonna go and highlight the entire 3 images all together. Once again, right click on the mouse and press weld, and then make sure the images get together. Or again, right click, select, highlight all 3 hearts, go to object on the top left corner on the menu bar at the top left corner, click object, then go to modify and click on weld, and it's done. Now all you have to do is send it to the machine to cut it, and it's done. And this will just, this is what I did to create, and you can do that with any shape within the CAD file to create a new figure, to add or subtract stuff from an existing figure in the CAD file. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.